Okay, welcome back to WiseCat. I just had a thought. I've just finished recording the video for GITifying your Moodle. And I just thought, okay, what if now if I took the essential theme code from www and just jammed it into www from Git, what would happen there? So let's give it a try. So it wasn't this is what we wanted. Copy from old theme essential to www git theme essential, and whoops, I'm in the wrong place. There we go. That's done. Okay, now let's go in here and let's have a look. Okay, now we're really being mean to our server right now. Site administration. Let's go. Okay, it's asking me to update. Can we break it? Can we break it? Can we break it? I mean, the site says that we're gonna break it. Okay, upstream base, bootstrap base. Let's try harder. No, we just get back into this infinite loop again, don't we? Well, that's boring. Okay, let's really try to break it. Let's really try to break it. Let's go bootstrap base. Okay, we're gonna copy the 3.6 bootstrap base across as well. Bootstrap base, there we go. Copy bootstrap base into the new. Okay, this is really muddy-uddy. Okay, let's try this. Solving, will we solve it? And actually, will it be usable is the question. Wow, success, success. Okay. This does not, okay. This is not looking broken. Come on. Okay. But I think we're still in boost right now, right? Let's see. We'll break a new settings. So these are the essential settings for category icons, etc., etc., etc. That actually cleared. Okay. So let's go into appearance and theme selector, and let's actually select essential and see what happens. Break, 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 break. That is broken. Okay, so that's broken. There you go. Yep, he was right. Okay. Yeah, my bad. You're totally right. Should have listened. You will break your site. That's it. Okay, we have broken our site here. That is beautiful because you can see it is not loading. It's just not doing anything anymore. It's just broken. Yay, that's what I like. Right, and this is the white screen of death that I was talking about earlier. You can see that there's nothing happening here. There's no error message. Let's see, if I try to grab the page source, do I get anything? No. Even the very first line, there is absolutely nothing there. So when this sort of thing happens, it can be a little bit, well, first of all, it can make you need to check your pants and see if you've, see what you've done. But the place to look is in your logs, right? Logs are your friend. So var/log, this is where all the logs are. Alias ll equals ls-lah. All right, this is an alias, by the way. ll is just list what's in the folder, and I like it as a list format. I like it all files, including the hidden files, and I like it to be human readable. Set that up as an alias like that, and bang, you can actually do it without having to type all those characters. So anyway, in here, I mean, you can see, yeah, Apache is installed. It's weird. I'm not using Apache, I'm using Nginx. Nginx is there, there's the Nginx directory there, and you can see there are PHP error messages as well. If we go to Nginx and look at the tail of the error log, you can see access level 2, blah, 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 you know, in particular, these errors, they're just going to keep coming thick and fast. Right? If we actually tail -f, let's just follow on. Okay, so every time I click, say, refresh, boom, it just popped up a new one. And this is the new message that we're actually getting. So you can watch out for these as well. And the PHP message, PHP fatal error. In particular, this fatal keyword is an important keyword in your logs. What that basically means is, yeah, we died. PHP died while trying to process this, and that's why you've got a blank screen. You've got absolutely nothing there, nothing to see here, because PHP died. So that was sad. But it also, again, you know, the logs, you see the fatal error, you can see, okay, where, why. Access level to theme essential output core renderer. A build action menu must be protected as in class core renderer or weaker in blah, blah, blah. You know, there are problems. These are the problems. The problems are in theme essential. Okay, so now that we've found PHP fatal error and we can take that theme essential out of there, get rid of it and see what happens. So where is the problem? Problem is in, you know, theme essential right there. There's our /srv3 www from git theme essential. That's where a problem is. So let's take that folder and get it out of there and see what happens. So we copy that. I'm gonna just exit out of that. And if I just say move, and I'm gonna move that essential folder to, let's go just two things down. So you can always move instead of deleting. If you move it down far enough, it's not an issue. You move it down to /srv/3, that's outside of the web root. Boom, so now that's moved. And now we can try to reload and see what happens. Now ideally, actually, I'm gonna do that following again thing. Now, ideally, when we hit refresh now, we should be able to get something happen, and something did happen. And you can see what's happened here is that we've got other messages that are saying that this page should be using theme essential, cannot be initialized, north in the site theme essential, okay, because theme essential is missing from the site now. And you know, that worked fine. It we basically removed essential, and now, you know, it's saying, hey, checks and things like that, and we want to actually upgrade the Moodle database because that's missing. So let's upgrade the Moodle database. Let's do it. And as we're doing this, we're getting these messages, keeping on, come fast and thick. Page should be using theme essential, can't find it, falling back to boost. Page should be using theme essential, can't find it, falling back to boost. The logs are your friend. Logs are telling you what's actually wrong. And they're telling you, go into your appearance settings, your theme selector. Go in there and set a theme that's actually there. The silly thing is that it doesn't actually let you select boost when it's fallen back to boost, which is a bit weird, but anyway. You can go into change theme to classic first and then go back to change theme again, and this time go to boost, and bang, we're into boost again. So there you go, a little bit of a bonus for today, because I really did want to show that white screen coming up. So I'm glad I was actually able to generate that and basically destroy the Moodle. It's terrible, but I know. But the moral of the story is, if you are faced with such a white screen of death where it just is blank and doesn't show you anything, don't panic. Just take a deep breath and go look at your logs, because chances are pretty high the answer's in there. Okay. Take care, good luck, happy moodling, and I'll talk to you again real soon.